Omusubati oyomo w'imyaka 31 uyikonya ukurigwa kubwatekana negekore ky'oboiti bw'omwana boda oyomo nigabiriga kubikubyera asensemo ya Namanga neye magega yabo bisabo botuki bense ya Kenya kubwaterana hamwe n'ensi ya Tanzania nakoenekia abamubekire byara Judith Kerubunyamongo nigo akagiri kubwaterana hamwe n'abakagiru bandi asokumuita goika ogokwa Peter Motari tariki 15 mutienyi o 11 umwaka oyeta asekenyerukia isena sublocation ya Kyunganyo ime ye ward ya Bubaracho ase bunge ya Nyaribari chachi me county ya Kisii na nigo konye atamete ose nigo konya ale bichuku asegeka kimiti enyi etano no mbono asabeire gakobeko byara
10th of November last year, Judith Kerubunyamongo and others happened to murder a boda rider by the name Peter Motari. Since then, she has been escaping police dragnet until on Friday when she was arrested as she was trying to cross Namanga border to Tanzania. Apparently, we had placed a stop order with the Immigration Department, and immediately she was trying to cross over. She was stopped and handed over to our counterparts Namanga, and we were informed immediately, and we went to collect her. Today, we have been able to arraign her in court, seeking custodial orders, and we have been granted 10 days custodial orders so that we can complete investigations before she can be charged formally with the offense of murder. Already there are 2 suspects before court and the other 3 remaining. For the 3 who are remaining, we are closing up on them, and in due course we shall also be able to arrest them so that they are all charged with the offense of murder. Thank you. The guy who was murdered was a boda rider by the name Peter Motari. Was around 25 years of age, and the reason why they decided to murder that gentleman is because it is said he assaulted